You're in the right place. It is Who Wants to Be a Mathematician presented by the AMS. And so let's see who the sponsors are who make it possible. So we have our technology sponsor is MapleSoft. They make mathematical software. Our online community sponsor is The Art of Problem Solving, who is very interested in math competitions. Our bouncing sponsor is Texas Instruments. They, as you know, make graphing calculators and furnish some for the game. John Wiley & Sons is the publisher. They give books as prizes for the game, and of course the American Mathematical Society, which furnished the prize money, and some books for the game as well. A contestant up here could win $3,000. So here are the prizes. Sixth place will win What's Happening in the Mathematical Sciences Volume 10. The title's pretty self-explanatory, and the volume number is not in binary, that is base 10, so it is the 10th one. Fifth place will win Mathematical Understanding of Nature, essays, and it's a very long title, so since we're running late, I won't read the whole thing, but that's also published by the AMS, a very interesting book, and that's for fifth place. Fourth place will win a calculus book from John Wiley & Sons. Third place will win the latest software from Maple, which we think right now is Maple 2016, but it might be 2017. Well, we know it's 2017 the year. Whether the version number is still 2016, we don't know for sure. But it will be the latest one, whoever wins that prize. Second place will win a TI Inspire CX and $500. And first place will also win a TI Inspire CX plus $1,000. That first place winner will also get $1,000, and then a chance at a $2,000 bonus question. So that's how that person could win $3,000. And so, so this is where I tell the audience you might want to make eye contact with someone you think is really smart, who's going to win that $3,000, and then they might be nice to you on the way out. They might, give you a 50 or something like that. All right, so here are the contestants. We'll say their names again in alphabetical order, starting with Josh here. Joshua Engels from Walt Whitman High School. It's a chance to cheer for them again. Kyle Gatesman from the Thomas Jefferson High School for Science and Technology. Tyler James from Falls Church High School. There's Tyler. In the back row, Pravi and Andrew from Basic Independent McLean. Next to her is Natalia Stepanova from Richard Montgomery High School. And Andrew Wu from St. Albans School. The one here in DC, not the one in the United Kingdom. All right, so here is the practice question. So here, the questions will make sure your buzzers are working. And which of the following is true? All rhombus are squares? Not all squares are rhombus. All squares are rhombus, or can you rhomb that by me again? Okay, so we'll see how the practice question went. So 5 people got it right. It was that all squares are rhombus. Very good. And someone wanted to make it the joke worth it, and so they chose that one. That's very good. And so I think you can see how the game's going to work. As we say in the math game show industry, let's get ready to figure and play Who Wants to Be a Mathematician. All right, here we go. So this is the real thing. In today's date, which is 4/22/17, the sum of the month number, 4, the day number, 22, and the 2-digit form of the year, 17, that sum is a prime number. When is the next time when this will happen? Is it tomorrow? Sometime next week after tomorrow? Sometime next month? Or sometime this year after May? So Bill Butterworth, who's in the back, who runs the competition and runs the laptop and is a judge and helped create the competition, he and I would take 30 seconds for it, but they took much less. But still, we'll let the entire time run out, and it now has. And we'll see how the first one went. It was B, sometime next week after tomorrow. Who got that one right? All right. So, Pravi, would you like to explain how you got that?
Yeah.
You can use the mic.
The sum.
You're all right.
The sum of the numbers right now is 43. So you just look for the next biggest prime number, which is 47, and that happens in April 26th, which is sometime next week after tomorrow.
That's exactly right. That's a good way to get it. Nice going, Pravi. Thank you.